Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift an EZGO golf cart. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your golf cart is on a level, firm surface, and engage the parking brake. It's crucial to disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent accidental power surges. Always use high-quality jack stands to support the cart once it's lifted. Never rely solely on a jack. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended. To lift the front of your EZGO golf cart, position a floor jack directly under the center of the front axle. Slowly and carefully begin to raise the cart. Once it's at your desired height, place 2 jack stands securely under the frame rails, one on each side, just behind the front wheels. Double-check that the jack stands are firmly seated and the cart is stable before removing the floor jack. For the rear of your EZGO golf cart, locate the differential housing, which is the central component of the rear axle. Place your floor jack directly underneath it. Slowly lift the rear of the cart, ensuring it rises evenly. Once lifted, position 2 jack stands under the rear frame, one on each side, just in front of the rear wheels. Confirm the cart is stable on the stands before carefully removing the floor jack. When you're ready to lower the cart, reverse the lifting process. Use the floor jack to slightly raise the cart off the stands, then carefully remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the cart completely to the ground. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal, ensuring it's tight. Before driving, always perform a thorough check of the brakes and steering to ensure everything is functioning correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.